opportunity to talk about nutrition and COVID. I thank the principal and of KL Mehta Dayanand College for Women, and a very good afternoon to all of you. The outline of my talk is on this basis: nutrition and immunity, nutrition advice for adults during COVID-19, diet during self-quarantine, nutritional care of hospitalized patients, nutritional assessment, what should be the medical nutrition therapy during mild condition, during critically ill condition, and during recovery, what are the challenges we face during lockdown, and what should be the food handling guidelines. As we all know, COVID-19 is an extremely fast-spreading infection. No cure has been found as yet, and the mutation makes it extremely difficult to treat. And understanding of the disease is not adequate since it is new. Though we don't have much of a clear understanding about COVID, but we do have understanding about infection and immunity. Most infections have an adverse effect on the host immune system. Additionally, impaired nutritional status affects the body's immune system. This in turn increases susceptibility to infection. There are basically 4 functions of the immune system with regard to host defense. There is a barrier that is created to prevent pathogens from entering the body. Pathogens are identified if they breach a barrier, and pathogens are eliminated, and also a immunological memory is created so that in future, if there is a further infection, the body knows how to deal with it. Basically, there are 2 types of immunity, as we all know, the innate and acquired. Innate is a more general immunity, which involves the physical barriers and macrophages, whereas the acquired involves the cell-mediated and the humoral. Cell-mediated immunity involves the T and the B cells, whereas the humoral immunity involves the antibodies.